Hey guys, so this is the Big Brute 20-inch high velocity box fan. That's the model right there. So it's a 20-inch. The rated power is 120 watts with 3-speed setting, etc. and etc. So when it comes in a box, came out in the box rather, it's only comes out like this. With this cover, of course. Yeah, and the foot, which of course is made of plastic, are not yet attached, so it's removed. I replace it because it's a bit flimsy. It rattles. It might actually fall. So what I did is I replace it with these two pieces of wood. Yeah, they're all just bolted with 2 screws each. So, and what I noticed is that uh, the screen, the protector, is all made of plastic, so it's a bit thicker than the usual, say, electric fans like that. And what happens is it blocks the wind, the air coming out. But in its own, it's actually quite okay. So let me try it now. So the control is over here. You have the 3-speed settings, and the body is made of thin plastic, which make it very light. And the cover, I think call it the lover, whatever. It's made of plastic. The back is also made of plastic. So the diameter of the blade is 20 inches. So this is probably about 26, no, maybe 24 inches here and there, more or less, I think. So let me try. That's a first speed. Vibrates a little bit. Number 2. The air is not too bad, but because of the way the grill is blocking it, it reaches the flow of air. So what I'm gonna do is, for safety, I will not remove this entirely. So I'll install them still, but I will remove some of the plastics here to increase the flow of air and still provide enough protection. So that you don't touch the blade when it is spinning. To remove some of the plastic, I'll need help from this tool. The jigsaw is a bit too much. I'm using aviation snips. I found the feet, and this, as you can see, it's a bit shorter, and they're a bit flimsy because they're made of thin plastic. So this is how it looks. So I remove. I cut some of the fins right there. Yeah, to let more air flow, less restriction, and also same here. Yep. So overall, this is really good buy. 1,000 pesos. I think the shipping is free from Lazada. So 1,000 is about $20. So really not too bad. Maybe 9 actually now. So yeah, it's a good buy. Here is so nice. Again, here it is.